Welcome to my channel, guys. Today I'm going to draw this 2D CAD file. So first of all, I have to put the center point. So first, the larger circle has the radius of 13.5. So 13.5 into 2, since we are going with the diameters. So the next circle is 11.4. So it is only there. Okay, understood. So you can clearly see there are two circles here. The one with the radius of 11 and the diameter 21. 21 was the inner one where the circles were there. So create it. So this going to the construction line, construction circle. So the diameter is 21 into 2. Sorry, 21. So you can see so let's take this one as 45 degrees. We have to create another construction line from here. This is fine. So angle I'm going to put is 45 degrees, and this one to this one is also 45 degrees, since they are and to make the construction. Let's move on creating another circle, smaller one. The diameter is 2. And another half circle is 2.4. Into 2. This is we observe there is another circle with the radius. So I'm using the trim feature and I'm going to remove these. Yeah. So now I'm going to use the rotate circular pattern. So here these are the features I want to rotate around the circle, and the center point is this one, and there is an option called partial. So around 180 degrees. 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is Let's go with the 180 degrees, but in the other direction. Yes, fine. This is perfectly fine. There are exactly six quantity of them. Place OK. Now you gotta trim this. Now, after removing the construction lines, it is easier to trim. Now I am going to extrude this 3. Okay, this one okay, this one has 5. This is exactly. Thank you guys.